This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious strawberry meringue using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 3 large egg whites, about 1 cup of superfine sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and approximately 100 grams of fresh strawberries. Make sure your mixing equipment is perfectly clean to ensure your meringue whips up beautifully. Now, let's create that airy meringue base. Start by beating your room temperature egg whites on medium speed until they are frothy. Next, add a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar and continue beating until soft peaks appear. Slowly incorporate 1 cup of superfine sugar, adding it 1 tablespoon at a time. Keep beating until the mixture is thick, glossy, and forms stiff peaks that hold their shape, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Time to add our delightful strawberry flavor. Take about 100 grams of fresh strawberries and puree them until completely smooth. Now, very gently fold this vibrant strawberry puree into your stiff meringue, along with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Use a spatula to carefully create lovely swirls, ensuring you don't overmix and lose all that wonderful air you've incorporated into the meringue. Finally, let's bake these beauties. Preheat your oven to 225 degrees Fahrenheit or 110 degrees Celsius. Carefully spoon or pipe your strawberry meringue onto baking sheets lined with parchment paper. Bake for approximately 1 to 2 hours until they are crisp to the touch. Then, turn off the oven and leave the meringues inside to cool completely, ideally for several hours or even overnight for the perfect dry texture. Enjoy your homemade strawberry meringues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.